This is about to be the most productive 1-minute video you watch today. When you're stuck and you feel like you're procrastinating, you're not getting things done, use this as a literal genius tool to get yourself unstuck. All you have to do is set a timer for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, to just say, okay, for those 2 to 5 minutes, I'm gonna start working on this, and I can quit it if I want after the 2 minutes or the 5 minutes, but I've just gotta work on it for this duration of time. Oftentimes, when it comes to procrastination, it's literally just a resistance to starting. Once you start to build momentum, and like snow rolling down a hill, it gains momentum and it also grows in size, and you're able to keep going and keep moving. So if you're stuck, set a timer, get started. Let me know if that works for you. All right, check out the other videos in this series. I'll catch you in the next one.